For multiple consecutive years now, Tacton has been recognized as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for CPQ application suites. Looking back, what were the strategic decisions Tacton made to reach this position? We sat down with Tacton's management team to hear their story.
What we see now is an outcome of a lot of very, very smart and good decisions made by a lot of smart people over the whole history of Tacton.
First of all, we at a very early stage established our customer success practice, customer success managers who acting as the trusted advisors and helping our customers to achieve their business goals.
I believe the main reason Tacton have done so well is the clear focus. It is taking away all the non-essential things, making sure that our customers' needs are at the center of what we do. The type of technology that Tacton has is ideally suited for manufacturing companies with, let's say, highly complex products, typically capital equipment goods. Now, taking the decision of only focusing on those companies was not an easy one. There are other things that we as a company could have done, but if we wanted to get really, really good, we had to narrow our focus.
So, if you look at the Gartner's Magic Quadrant just a few years back, the number of players and the kind of players we saw there, many of those has been consolidated into either a platform or into a larger platform, a suite, you can call it, right? Or whether it's SAP or Salesforce. We have deliberately said that we want to stay agnostic. We believe that the customers where we can add the most value, they want the best of breed within CPQ.
The reason we chose to stay agnostic, i.e. not to be completely dependent on a certain third-party supplier, boils down to the fact that most of the companies in the manufacturing space have different software suppliers. So for us to be able to aid these companies, we had to be good at integrating really with anyone. By doing SaaS, we knew that we were going to have one instance for all of our customers, and that instance would benefit from new features that we added.
And of course, that SaaS transformation from a technical point also required a huge change of our service delivery approach. In the past, more than half of our service delivery were related to development or customization, versus now our consultants are guiding our customers to set up their desired workflows in the application without customizations.
We have a very, very strong market position in the Nordics. We are being very well respected in the DACH and the rest of EMEA. But 50% of our global addressable market is North America. So it was a natural decision also to invest in building an office, building a foundation in North America. And right now, it is our biggest growth region.
Tacton is, first of all, we are a software company, and we are to take our fantastic software out to the marketplace. And we have very, very skilled consultants that can help our customers in the implementation space. But we will never be able to be everywhere for everybody. That's why it is so critical to us to have the right type of partners.
As a company, Tacton has some amazing technology. But what is pretty natural is that over time, when you're interacting with your customers, learning more about their needs, you get really good understanding for not only what their needs are, but also how you can apply CPQ in the best way. I'm extremely happy that Tacton has taken not only a technology leadership, but also an advisory leadership in the manufacturing space.
Once again, it's all about customer success. To create that by providing engaged, business-minded team players who both can contribute to Tacton's competitive advantage, but also to really understand and drive solutions of the customer's challenges.
What we see is tons of new capabilities being available for companies in manufacturing. We believe it's the mission of Tacton to stay on those trends before others and make sure that we help and guide customers to adopt them.
Of course, the digitalization journey that all industrial companies are going through is essential, and we can accelerate that journey together.